When it comes to building high-converting landing pages, you've probably heard of Elementor and Unbounce. But which one really stands out for your business? In this video, we'll break down both of these popular landing page software options, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses to help you decide which one fits your needs. Stick around till the end because I'll also recommend a better alternative you might not know about. Let's start with Elementor. This plugin is mainly known for being a WordPress tool, making it perfect for users already within the WordPress ecosystem. The big selling point is its drag-and-drop builder, which allows you to create beautiful landing pages without writing a single line of code. It's user-friendly, fast, and flexible, especially with the Pro version offering advanced widgets, forms, and design options. Next thing, while Elementor is easy to use, it's not without its drawbacks. First, you'll need a WordPress site to use it, which might be a deal breaker if you don't already have one or don't want to manage a full WordPress site. Also, though Elementor offers a lot of customization, the free version doesn't come with the full set of tools that you'll likely need for high-converting landing pages, meaning the Pro version is almost essential for anyone serious about landing page design. Now, let's talk about Unbounce. This software is a landing page tool that allows you to build pages without needing any third-party platform like WordPress. It's highly popular among marketers for its conversion-focused features. Unbounce shines when it comes to A/B testing, pop-ups, and lead generation tools. It integrates well with other marketing tools like CRMs and email marketing software, which can be crucial for campaigns that need quick results. The fourth thing, Unbounce's strength is also its weakness, its price. For smaller businesses or solo entrepreneurs, the cost of Unbounce can be a big turnoff, especially since you're paying for features that you might not even need if you're just building a basic landing page. Plus, while it has great features for A/B testing, its design flexibility isn't as robust as Elementor's, especially if you want full control over the visual aspects of your page. Another thing worth mentioning is performance. Both Elementor and Unbounce deliver fast-loading pages, but Elementor, especially when paired with a good hosting service, can have the edge when it comes to speed. Unbounce hosted pages are fast, but you're locked into their system and pricing model, which can sometimes feel limiting. The next thing is the learning curve. Elementor, being a WordPress plugin, requires you to be somewhat familiar with the WordPress environment. This isn't a huge deal for most users, but it's something to consider if you're not comfortable with WordPress. On the other hand, Unbounce is a standalone tool, which means you don't need to worry about WordPress at all, but the user interface can be a bit overwhelming at first. And here's something that often goes overlooked: SEO. Elementor gives you full control over SEO settings for your landing pages, which is a big plus if organic search traffic is important for your strategy. Unbounce, while good for conversions, has less SEO customization, which may leave you at a disadvantage if you're aiming for long-term search engine results. The last thing to consider is integrations. Both Elementor and Unbounce have solid integrations with third-party tools, but Unbounce comes out slightly ahead when it comes to connecting with marketing automation tools and CRMs, which can help you manage your leads and campaigns more effectively. Now, both of these tools have their pros and cons, but after trying both and testing them in real-world situations, I have to say that they're good options for creating landing pages. However, if you're looking for an alternative that combines simplicity, speed, and advanced features for landing page creation without the limitations of these two, I highly recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best trial deal available and exclusive benefits only for our viewers. Give it a try and let me know what you think.